Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see 100% FitGirl install guide that works on every game. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. After turning off, just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder. Double click on setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select the music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and make sure nothing is running in the background. And select next. Select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game. And select OK and select next. Check all these and select install option. After the game installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list, as you can see. And then go back, turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close up here, uncheck this option, guys. Open the site, redirect to this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close off here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.